Hello and welcome to Tash Life 2. Today we are going to be out in the garden and we're going to be planting out under the clothesline those succulents and Oxford Veronica blue, I think that's what it's called. So it's quite warm and muggy today, and it is supposed to be raining, but it's not raining yet. So we're going to plant these plants and hopefully they'll survive this time. So let's get into it. So we have these two. Succulent. This one's a succulent, chocolate blob, and this one, Veronica Oxford blue, to plant here. I did plant some of these ones here before, and they pretty much died, except for this one. So we'll try again and see how we go with that. Plant these ones down in the shade this time. You still have one here that's trying, so I'll just plant around that one. What I think I might do is just sprinkle a little bit of blood and bone around it before I put the mulch back. Just a little bit, just to give it a helping hand. I'm going to get this fella as well, help him out a bit. Now I will actually take these pots back to Bunnings. They do usually, or the ones over here anyway, they do have a box that you can put them in near the garden centre front doors, and people can go and help themselves to get some pots, or maybe you can find yourself a nice pot there. But you know, it saves them going into landfill, and they can be reused. Saves waste. So that's what will happen with those. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I did put the succulents down this end because I find that it gets hit with the more harsher actual direct sun, and I already know that these ones don't like it because that's where I planted the other one. So we'll see how that one goes up there, and that's the one that survived from last time. So we'll see how that goes, and I guess you'll find out about it in the next update. So thanks for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.